friends, it's Toy Food Fun. Today we are going to unwrap this really fun Just Like Home vegetable crate. These are Velcro type vegetables. They come with a play knife to cut them in half, and we're going to unbox these and check them out and talk about their names. Here is the back of the box, and it says Just Like Home. Whether in the garden, at the market, or at the bakery, find everything you need for some freshly picked fun. This looks like a whole lot of fun. And then here it shows that this is from Toys R Us. It's recommended for kids who are 3 or older. Let's check this out. So these vegetables come in this really fun plastic crate. It's a great place to store your vegetables when you're not using them. This set comes with a tomato, an eggplant, a red onion, a yellow onion, broccoli, a mushroom. I love mushrooms. Corn, a carrot, a zucchini, and a potato. Oh, I can't forget that it also comes with a knife. Now let's cut these vegetables. Here again is a tomato, tomato, let's cut this red onion, red onion, let's cut this eggplant, eggplant, let's cut this broccoli, broccoli, let's cut this potato, potato, Next, let's cut this yellow onion. Yellow onion. Yellow onion. Let's cut this zucchini. Zucchini. Oh, this looks like a big, delicious, juicy carrot. Let's cut this carrot. 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 I love mushrooms. Let's cut the mushroom. Mushroom. Last we have corn. Let's cut this corn. Corn. Now we have a beautiful crate of cut vegetables. This looks delicious. This would be perfect for a stir fry. Maybe another time that's what we'll do. We'll make a stir fry with these delicious looking vegetables. Well, friends, thanks for watching our video. It's been so fun showing you this just like home vegetable crate and talking about the names of these vegetables. If you like this video, please click like and be sure to subscribe. We'll make more of these really fun food videos. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again soon.